Hello everyone, Peter here, Piotr Fissner. Guys, this is a thank you video to our web dev team. It's mind-blowing when those things are happening and they are worth mentioning, okay? Because when I started cooperating with Thomas a few years back, I would say now, our goal was to create a membership software where we will have members and we will create an environment where people have trusted services like repair tech services, and we will build sustainable electronics, fixable electronics. And that was about 2 years ago. I can't remember exactly the date, but he convinced me that it would be best if I would not code. We would have a team, or we came to the same conclusion together or something like that. And then we start to look for Padawans, for apprentices, and then he started to give them a hand of understanding coding, and they started to code, and now we are in the position of having great web dev team. It's not many people are working from those people who've started, but we've got great example that people came without any experience and they've gained experience with us, with our team, and they were capable of finding jobs, job places. Not only that, they've helped us build the software. They help themselves by getting jobs thanks to the engagement in the whole project we're doing, yes? So Inte.team and bookrepair.online.co.uk has been created. Apart from that, those two, we've created other projects as well. Okay, and the one which I want to mention today, and I would like to thank you to our web dev team, is for the transport company, which was created by one Christoph guy who started with us when he was 16, and he was 17 when found a job. So it's unbelievable, you know, like great job. And he found a job as a junior Laravel developer, I'd say, and he still help us, and he created from scratch Book Repair Online, and then guys started to help him, so now there are more people involved in the project, and I can say wow. Why wow? Because I just had a message and a call from one of our customers, the customer who's using the transport app, and he said to not touch it or anything. He need to use it because his computer has failed and he's capable of using only his phone as a login service to our website, which is fully capable of running from any device. As long as you can log into the web app, you're good, so he can use phone, tablet, computer, or whatever. And he was using spreadsheets and other software, and thanks to us, he stopped using them, and he was using this web app, and I meant to just transfer to the new domain name and wipe everything. But he said he already wiped stuff, so we don't need to wipe it. So all I need to do is change to the proper domain name and insert backups. That's all I need to do right now. But he said to not delete anything or change anything because he's using it and his computer failed. So imagine yourself, you're running a business and you've got your trustworthy hardware, yes, your laptop, and then this laptop is suddenly failing. So what can you do? You are pretty much in a really bad position. Because he knew this web app is already working, he just literally opened on his phone web app, and because he had exported to PDF some of the stuff, he opened that PDF and he started to insert that road, created a new road for new period, and start to insert parcels to that road, and thanks to that he's back on track. Yes, he had extra work to do it, but at least he know he can go there and he can trust it. I just sent him the backup of his database as well, and I need to make daily backups now by hand, so I will need to make sure that the automatic backups will be done. And when he will come here to Scotland, he will be for a longer time, and we will sit down, we will talk about this app, and I will do the final changes, and he's using it from now on. So our web dev team is a great web dev team and consists of not many members right now. There are just members on one hand, I would say. We don't need more than that, but the more we would have, the quicker we would launch membership. Yes, we can't yet launch the membership, but we are testing. It's nearly ready. We're just finding bugs, issues with the code, and securities, you know, like trying to hack the app and so on. And then our co-founder of Inte team is checking as a final QA inspection of the code. So yes, we want to build other web apps as well. We've got a contract with martial arts school, which we're building, and we want to build all web apps for self-employed people who can't afford dear commercial web applications, and they would like to get something affordable, something robust, and something that it's customizable. That means we can always add the code for them and they can use it, because many of those apps are okay-ish, but they are not serving the purpose as somebody would want it. Whereas our focus is to get basic features for everyone and then on-off features for people who would like to add these features, but some people might not need these features. Yes, so if anybody has any web coding problems, issues, they can contact us and they can they can just literally say to us what they would need, and we are happy to offer web development services to them as well. If we need to, we will find more members, and we can increase the number of hours spent on coding as well. So we would be happy to take any other project if we can afford on time. Yes, but at the moment I'm just saying thank you to our team. It's unbelievable. You thought that you've got time and this will just start, and we've got a new customer and he's happy with that, but it turns out that we are really helping because his laptop failed, and if not for us, he wouldn't be able to do this job the right way. He would have to use some paper and maybe this way, do it the old-fashioned way, but it's nowhere perfect, and it's long, excruciating, and for sure not the way he would like to do his job. So guys, thank you for watching. 7 minutes 40 seconds recording is showing. You see how important is what we're doing here. It's not only the repairs, it's not only now starting the membership, but as well web development team, which is really awesome. So thank you guys, see you in the next video, and take care. Bye bye.